discussion is on Taro's Reward. Introduction. Taro's Reward is a popular fairy tale in Japan. It involves the story of a son Taro who wanted to fulfill the wishes of his father. Taro was a poor boy. He earned money by chopping woods from the jungle, but the money he earned was not sufficient for him and his parents. One day, it started blowing cold winds. All people in the home felt cold due to wind passing from the cracks of the wooden house. His father wished if he could have some sack to energize his heart. Summary. The appearance of the magical waterfall. Taro was sad as he did not have money to buy the expensive sack. He decided to work hard. Next day, he woke up early and went to the forest to chop woods. Suddenly, he heard the sound of falling water. It perplexed him as there was no river here earlier. Since he was also thirsty, he followed the sound of water. Soon he found a waterfall behind the rock. He went near to the fall and put his hand in the water. To his amaze, he discovered that water was not water but sack. He became happy and filled some sack in his pitcher. Upon reaching the house, he gave this sack to his father. The father sipped the sack and started dancing with joy. The spread of news to the villagers. A neighbor came in the evening. Father afforded her a cup of sack. The woman happily took the sack. Father told her about the incident which happened to Taro. Now, this woman spread the news to all the people in the village. Every villager rushed to Taro's home and tasted the sack. Water for the villager, sack for Taro. Next morning, Taro again woke up early, searched the biggest pitcher, and went to the waterfall. To his surprise, he found the other villagers were also going to the fall. Soon, people reached the fall and tasted the sack, but they found the water of the fall was not sack but plain water. People became angry and decided to draw Taro in the fall. Taro hid behind the rock and waited till all the villagers went home. He now tasted the water again, but to his surprise, he still felt that it was sour. The fall was giving Taro a sick, while the villagers it was giving plain water. Award by the king. The story of Taro, care for this parent reached the king. He awarded Taro 20 pieces of gold to encourage old children to take care of their parents. Important questions. Question 1. Why did Taro run in the direction of the stream? Taro ran in the direction of the stream because earlier he had never heard or seen a rushing stream in the forest. Also, he was thirsty. Question 2. How did Taro's father show his happiness after drinking sack? After drinking sack, Taro's father showed his happiness by doing a little dance in the middle of the floor. Question 3. Why did the waterfall give Taro sack and others water? The waterfall gave Taro sack and others water because he was a thoughtful son who honored and obeyed his parents always and worked very hard to give them everything they needed while others were greedy. Question 4. Why did the villagers want to drown Taro? The villager wanted to drown Taro because they thought that he had tricked them by telling that streams give sack. Question 5. Why did the emperor reward Taro? The emperor rewarded Taro for as he honored and obeys his parents. This was done to encourage all the children to honor and obey their parents. Thank you.